water is constantly leaking or dripping from your single-handle kitchen or bathroom faucet, Danco offers a variety of products to solve the problem without replacing the entire faucet or having to call a plumber, saving you valuable time and money. With a few short steps and the right replacement parts from Danco, your faucet will be returned to like new condition. Here are the tools you'll need for this job: a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, an Allen wrench, a wrench, which is optional, and cleaner to remove mineral buildup. First, you will need to turn off the hot and cold water supply valve under the sink. Next, you will need to remove the single lever handle. This may require using an Allen wrench to loosen the handle. There may be a button that covers a screw that needs to be removed first, and then you can loosen the screw and remove the lever handle. Remove the retainer nut, cam, and gasket. Take out the ball. Use your screwdriver to remove the old seats and springs from the faucet body. Now that you've removed the ball, you need to take it to your local retailer and use the perfect matchbook to locate your parts. Go to the One Handle Repair tab and match your ball to the photograph. The perfect matchbook will also identify the other replacement parts associated with your ball. You should also replace the seats and springs at this time. Before installing the new ball and repair parts, thoroughly clean the inside of the faucet body with cleaner intended to remove mineral buildup, or use plain vinegar. The last thing you want to do is damage your new parts because you didn't clean the mineral buildup inside the faucet. It is imperative that you complete this step, or this can cause new leaks to happen soon after you have installed new faucet repair parts. Now you're ready to install the new faucet ball, seat, and springs. You must install the seats and springs first. Insert the spring wide end down, then place the rubber seat over the narrow end of the spring. You may find it easier to assemble the springs and seats in this order outside of the faucet on a counter and then use a screwdriver to place them into the faucet body. Place the ball on top of the seats and springs. The ball may have a notch that fits a small peg inside the faucet. Align the peg and notch on the ball assembly to ensure proper installation into the faucet. Insert the cam gasket, the cam itself, and the retainer nut. Turn on the hot and cold water supply under the sink. If there are leaks, you may need to tighten the adjustment ring inside the retainer nut. If there are no leaks, replace the lever faucet handle.